much as me. Oh yeah? I bet I love them even more. Okay then, how much do you love noodles? This much. And
Right, it's Stan Shakovka, and I'm at the Wok Station, that wonderful, amazing Asian restaurant on Galleria Mall.
Yes.
And we're here for a special celebration. It's the sensational Noodle Festival.
Absolutely.
Sort of celebrating the Chinese New Year, and this goes on until March, I think.
Yes.
Fantastic. I've got Pushback here with me. He's the restaurant general manager, lovely, lovely young man, and a chef, Chef Dorje.
Yes,
Say hello, Chef Dorje, to our viewers and readers on the Golf Weekly YouTube channel. Now, this is like a noodle festival like no other. I mean, and there's 12, I believe.
Yes, 12.
Commemorate the 12,
Yes, 12.
animals
Absolutely.
of the Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year.
Now, of course, we have noodles, and this is like a festival of noodles, isn't it? I
Right.
mean, some of my favourites, and I've had to have a little taste of every one.
Almost,
I mean,
yes.
almost.
Almost. Because you were stuffed.
That's the word.
Because you're stuffed.
Absolutely, and such a great feeling that is. There's noodles with exotic vegetables. There's noodles with stir-fried chicken and honey. There's noodles with smoked salmon. That was absolutely sensational.
Yes.
And noodles with ducks. But that's not all. There's noodles with noodles and more noodles. Tell us a little bit about this festival.
Alright, so this year is, basically 12 noodles resembles 12 animals from the Chinese calendar.
Fantastic, yeah.
So we thought of making out something good, Chinese New Year, something stunning,
And
something
these
which
chefs,
is,
this young man and his team,
Yes.
fantastic, aren't they?
because we just wanted to give out something different, some new taste, some fusion of the Asian cuisine, taking ingredients from areas like Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, China, Hong Kong. We also have this consultant chef who has helped us in creating this menu.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I
Yes.
believe it's in Hong Kong at the moment.
He's in Hong
sorting
Kong
out
at
some
the moment.
sauces.
Yes.
As one does.
Yes, and he is actually training our dim sum chef for the next festival that we will be having by next month. Still in pipeline, but let's see.
Right.
Keeping our fingers crossed.
Well, we love noodles. We've got lots and lots and lots of noodles to enjoy.
Yes.
And chef, just tell us what makes. I mean, these are homemade noodles, aren't they? Tell us about the noodles, chef. What's special about these noodles?
It's like homemade, so
They all are like made differently. They have been given a particular taste to all of them. Unlike we have different noodles, like we have udon noodles, we have homemade noodles, we have soft noodles, we have yellow noodles to get those colors perfectly, to get that taste.
It is a
all
taste
balanced,
sensation.
Yes.
This is the place to go. If you love noodles, or if you want to try some new noodles, Wok Station's the place.
Absolutely.
So thank you very much, chef. Thank you for feeding me so well. Wave to the readers. And
Thank you guys.
always good. See you soon.
Please welcome. See you soon.
Yeah, take care. Bye-bye.
I bet I love them even more. Okay then, how much do you love noodles? This much. And